Welcome to Kintoz Point of Sale. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to explore the supplier information feature. Before proceeding, please make sure that your inventory has been populated with data. First, click on Inventory. Then, click on Supplier Information. Here you have a form where you can enter a supplier. Let's enter a new supplier as an example. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the supplier will be added to the list below. Upon clicking Submit, we are redirected to the supplier's profile page. Click Edit Details to open the form where you can edit the supplier's info. Here, let's add a logo. Going back, click on Active Items to view all items provided by the supplier. Since we've just created this supplier, let's add a few items that they can supply. First, let's enter an item through the barcode. Next, let's try the search feature for adding an item. Now that we've added a few items, here we can change their category, cost, VAT inclusive, VAT exclusive, and selling price. Simply click Update once you've entered the values. By unchecking the active checkbox, this will move the item to the inactive list. This will set the item as temporarily unavailable for sale. Vice versa, you can update inactive items by adding a check in the active box. This will return the item to the active list. If you want to remove an item from a supplier, click on the Delete button. You will be prompted with a confirmation box. This does not delete the items from the inventory. Instead, this only implies that the supplier no longer provides that item. Next, we have stock balance. This shows how many items are in stock corresponding to inventory locations. You may filter the items via category by clicking on the drop-down list. The No Zero option will exclude records containing zero amounts. On the table, you can see the barcode, the item name, category, and the location code where they are stored. To the rightmost you have the total. Next, we have damaged items. Here you can select dates to cover the span period. Then select the location and click Generate. This will produce the list showing all damaged items recorded. Here you can see the starting quantity of the item based from the start date. Next is the amount adjusted, meaning we have 2 damaged items. The ending quantity is the count of items by the chosen end date. Then we have the unit of measurement, remarks or notes made, the user that recorded the adjustment, and the location affected. A similar form can be seen on return items. Select the dates, location, and click Generate. This will create a list of items returned. Moving on to order history, this will show a list containing all purchase orders and their status. Next is the billing report. Select the dates to cover the span of time on the report. The report breakdown consists of all items sold corresponding to the supplier. Regarding consignment goods, this is a useful tool when generating billing reports. Here we have the unit cost, quantity on hand, quantity sold, and total amount. On this page we also have a shortcut to generate a purchase order. However, this feature will be discussed on a separate video for a more extensive explanation. Next is sales status. This report lists all items sold since the use of this system. This is an accumulated total summary from the very start of using the POS. Finally, we can generate a print view of the supplier page. You can use this on the reports we previously loaded. Here are a few examples. This is the print view of the damaged items report. Here we have the billing report. Simply press Ctrl P when you want to continue to print. That covers all features of the supplier information module. Thank you for watching.